This is edition 2 of News with Z. I don't know if anybody's even going to watch this crap. But I'm going to make a few of them and see if they get any traction. What do we got here today? Meta drops fact checking. Well. Finally, we're going to get rid of the fact checkers. AP News eliminates fact checking and latest bow to Trump. They're bowing to Trump. No, they're not. They're going to copy X or Twitter because that's what they have. They have community comments. So here we go. Changes to content moderation. In other words, censorship. And Instagram. They bought Instagram too? I guess they did. Oh, look at this. They said that Trump said that the new approach was probably due to threats he made against technology mogul. So here's what they're going to do. They're going to replace third-party fact-checking. I wonder who those idiots are that actually do the fact-checking. What I found is most facts are actually opinions. So now they're going to go with user-written community notes, just like Twitter does on Elon Musk's social platform X. Well, I guess that's a good thing overall. I would say this is a good thing, and they're probably still going to kill posts, though, totally, uh, and probably ban people, what have you. Anyway, even Elon Musk isn't, Elon said he was, what did he say? A free speech absolutist. Yeah, bullshit, because you know what? There's still a lot of people banned on Twitter. People that don't need to be banned, you know what I mean? So glad to hear. Sanctioned for corruption. I don't know what this one. Well, I'm going to close this one and find another one. Here's another one. This is a goodie. Arrives in Greenland. Donald Trump Jr. arrives in Greenland. Where are we going to go? CBS? No. ABC? No. Let's go back to AP. AP seems to be halfway decent. Oh, we got the BBC here. They used to be good. I don't know how they are now, but I read this one. This one's funny. Check this out. With a message from his dad, we're going to treat you well. President-elect Donald Trump told residents that we're going to treat you well as his oldest visit the mineral-rich Danish territory. Interesting, isn't it? And listen, look at this shit. Home to a large U.S. military base. Did you guys know that we have over 1,000 military bases of one sort or another all over the globe? Yeah, 1,000. I remember when it used to be 770 when Ron Paul was running for president. Then it went to 800. Now it's over 1,000. But look at this shit. President-elect later told a news conference that he wouldn't rule out using military force or economic coercion to take control of Greenland, saying that we need it for national security. What security? What the hell do we need Greenland for? Except, we're afraid of Russia. That's right. Economic coercion. Now that has been our modus operandi for years. You know, do you ever read that, what was it, Notes from an Economic Hitman? That's a great book. You should read that. So what we do is we threaten countries, or the IMF or whatever, threatens countries that they have to take these loans or, they're going to get killed. But what else we got here? Oh, yeah. Okay, what is this? Acquire it. Acquire it. Could seek to acquire it. Do you know that Donald Trump Jr. is involved in getting land in freaking Gaza? Yeah, they got some kind of a real estate deal going on where they're going to grab land in Gaza after they kill all the Palestinians. That's sickening, isn't it? Unbelievable. So, okay, the reception has been great. We need safety, security, strength, and peace. Peace. Here's another interesting factoid. Did you know that ever since this country was founded, there has not been 1 year of absolute peace to where we were not involved in some kind of military bullshit? Not 1 year. I asked AI about that, and that's what she said. Not 1 year. Go look it up. We've been involved in so many different military bullshit things. It's unbelievable. Oh, look at this here. Greenland's government said that his visit was taking place as a private individual. Right. Not an official visit, and Greenland representatives would not meet with him. Unbelievable, huh? Alright, let's see what the next one holds for us. Alright, this one's a real goodie. Holy crap, look at this. U.S. declares Sudan a genocide. Really? U.S. determines that Reuters, yeah, Reuters is pretty good. Look at this, let's look at this crap. U.S. determines that Sudan's committed genocide, imposes sanctions on the leader. How about that? Members of Sudan's Rapid and Allied militias committed genocide in Sudan and imposed sanctions on the group leader that has killed tens of thousands of people and driven millions from their homes. Well, guess where else tens of thousands have been killed and at least 2 million been driven from their homes? Guess where? Gaza. That's where. If ever there was a genocide, it's the one that Israel is creating in Gaza. I mean, that has to be the genocide of all genocides. They bombed the living crap out of them, targeted, by snipers target women and children, aim to maim, not kill necessarily. And we give them the bombs to do it. But here we go. We've determined that there's a genocide in Sudan. I mean, there are so many videos and testimonies about what's happening in Gaza. It's ridiculous. They're bombing hospitals, killing doctors. Listen to this shit. I saw a video today, and this is probably the saddest video I have ever seen. It's of a little girl, and she's lost, a little Palestinian girl, and she's lost both of her legs and one arm. And the way she's getting around is she's rolling on the floor to get from one place to another. I looked at that and I was just sickened. I'm going, Jesus Christ. And we're giving them the bombs to do it. In fact, we just gave them another $8 billion to, look at that, essential, ease humanitarian crisis in Sudan. But Gaza, Israel, hell no. Give them more bombs. Give them bomb kids and women some more. Unbelievable. Wow, that's just amazing. Anyway, I thought that was about as ironic as you can fucking get. Alright guys, that's the second issue. Onward and upward. If you like this crap, you know, pass it on to your friends or something. Maybe throw in a like or something. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing this, but maybe I'll do a few more and just see if it gets any traction or not. Alright guys, onward and upward, baby. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.